Welcome. If you are learning English and you want a place where you can actually practice speaking, you are in the right place.
USA Convo is a community where people from all over the world come together to use English, hear English, and speak English in real situations. You do not need to be at a certain level to be here. Some people are just starting and learning their first words. Some understand English but need more time speaking out loud. Some read and write well but want to feel more comfortable in conversation. Some speak English confidently and want to sound more natural when talking with other English speakers. All of that belongs here. USA Convo is built around community. You are not practicing alone. You practice with other learners who are on the same journey. You listen, you speak, you make mistakes, and you keep going. That is how confidence grows. You start with free resources that are designed for speaking. Short videos help you hear how English is really used. You pause, you repeat, and you practice speaking out loud. These resources are here to help you use your voice, not just study words. You can also join free practice sessions. These are open speaking spaces where you practice English with other people. There are no grades and no pressure. It is simply time to speak and get comfortable using English. The more you speak, the easier it feels. You stop overthinking and start communicating. Confidence comes from using English again and again in a supportive environment. When you want more focused conversation, the USA Convo Tutor Network makes that easy. You can see who the American tutors are, learn about their style, and reach out directly. The network is here to make real American conversation more accessible when you want it. You choose how you want to practice. You decide when you are ready. Tutors are one option inside the larger USA Convo community, and they are here to support your speaking goals. If you want a positive place to practice speaking English, we would love to have you here. Start where you are. Practice with the community. Grow your confidence step by step. Visit usaconvo.com and register for free.